Damo in the house, get your ass in gear. Hit the dance floor, cause the weekend's here. Let me hear you whistle, let me hear you roar. This is how we do it, yeah, fucking hardcore. Get ready lads, feel the bass in your bones. Rave to the grave, you fucking mad scones. Let me hear you whistle, let me hear you roar. This is how we do it, yeah, fucking hardcore.
Put your hands up, put your hands up.
To the left, to the right, now throw your fucking kite.
Put your hands up, put your hands up.
To the left, to the right, now throw your fucking kite. Volume, whack it up loud. Hands in the air if you're Irish and proud. Let me hear you whistle, let me hear you roar. This is how we do it, yeah, fucking hardcore.
Put your hands up, put your hands up.
To the left, to the right, now throw your fucking kite.
Put your hands up, put your hands up.
To the left, to the right, now throw your fucking kite. I say techno, you say heaven, techno, heaven, techno. Heaven. I say whopper, you say chill, whopper, chill, whopper. Chill. I say techno, you say heaven, techno, heaven, techno. Heaven. I say whopper, you say chill, whopper, chill. Bring the beat back.
It's hard not to feel deflated when even your best